Hello friends, welcome to the session on digital electronics. In this session, we will see Karnaugh map simplification. Any given Boolean expression can be simplified by making the use of Karnaugh map. In this session, we will see what we mean by Karnaugh map, what are the different types of Karnaugh map, and how to simplify SOP expression by using K-map or Karnaugh map. Friends, as you know that you are viewing this session on my YouTube channel, Learn with Prakash Khanade, and do subscribe to the channel to see more videos on the subjects of electronics and computer science. So we will go for the session with the question what we mean by Karnaugh map. Maurice Karnaugh is an American physicist and mathematician who invented the Karnaugh map for the simplification of Boolean expressions. In short, these maps are called as the K-map. Any complex Boolean expression can be simplified by using K-map. And for such simplification, the biggest advantage is that we do not require the use of laws of Boolean algebra. Any given Boolean expression can be easily transferred into K-map. Either SOP expression or POS expression can be transferred into K-map. And whenever we want to implement the SOP expression, then it can be implemented by AND OR gates. And whenever we want to implement the POS expression, then it can be implemented by OR AND gates. You will find that there are different types of Karnaugh maps, such as 2-variable Karnaugh map, 3-variable Karnaugh map, and 4-variable Karnaugh map. It is possible to draw Karnaugh map up to 6 variables. But in this session, we are going to discuss the Karnaugh map only up to 4 variables. Let us go for the discussion of 2-variable Karnaugh map. A Karnaugh map is basically a table which consists of rows and columns. A 2-variable Karnaugh map will contain 2 raised to 2, which is equal to 4 cells. And in each cell, we will make an entry of 1 for each min term of the SOP expression. You will find that in the Karnaugh map, the gray code is used so that each adjacent cell will differ by 1 bit position only. Whenever we want to draw a 2-variable Karnaugh map, then this Karnaugh map can be drawn as shown in this diagram. This is the most significant variable A, and this is the least significant variable B. A can have a value either 0 or 1. B can have a value either 0 or 1. Each cell can be given a number. The first cell has a number 0. Then the second cell will have a number 1 because 0, 0 is 0, 0, 1 is 1. 1, 0 is 2, and 1, 1 is 3. This cell will represent the min term A bar B bar. This cell will represent the min term A bar B. This cell will represent the min term A B B bar. And this cell will represent the min term AB. Now suppose we have been given SOP expression y is equal to A bar B plus AB bar plus AB, which is just nothing but summation of min terms 1, 2, 3. Then for this SOP expression, we can draw a Karnaugh map as shown in this diagram. So we will make an entry 1 for the cell 1, and also for 2 and 3, we will make an entry 1 as shown in this figure. Now we will go for the simplification of Karnaugh map. A Karnaugh map can be simplified by making the group of ones. The basic rule for making the group of ones is that make as few groups as possible, but at the same time, you have to cover all ones. And whenever you are making the group, always you have to start with the largest possible group. That is, if it is possible, you can make the group of 8 adjacent ones. Otherwise, go for the group of 4 adjacent ones. Otherwise, go for the group of 2 adjacent ones. And if there is any left, which is not possible to be combined in one group, then that is being left as it is. A group of 8 adjacent ones is being called as an octet, and one octet will reduce the 3 variables. A group of 4 adjacent ones is called as a quad, and one quad will reduce 2 variables. A group of 2 adjacent ones is called as a pair, and one pair will reduce 1 variable. So why should we make the group? Because we want to reduce the number of variables in each term. Now suppose our example, suppose we have make an entry into the Karnaugh map of 3 ones, then we will go for the groups. You will find that the largest possible group is of pair only. So we will make the first pair and this one is left. Therefore, we will make the combination of this one with the adjacent one. So it is possible that you can overlap the groups. Now we will write the Boolean expression for the pair. For this pair, the value of A is 1, therefore it is written as A. But for this pair, you will find that the value B is being changed and therefore B is reduced for this pair. Similarly, for this pair, the value of B is 1, therefore it is written as B. And for this pair, you will find that the value of A is being changed and therefore the variable A is reduced. And therefore we can write the reduced SOP expression as A plus B. Now we will go for a 3-variable Karnaugh map. A 3-variable Karnaugh map is also a table which consists of rows and columns, and it will have 2 raised to 3, that is equal to 8 cells. In each cell, we will make an entry 1 for each mean term of the given SOP expression. As I said earlier, in this Karnaugh map also, we will be making the use of the gray code. Now, whenever we want to draw a 3-variable Karnaugh map, then it can be drawn as shown in this diagram. A is the most significant bit, then B, and C is the least significant bit. So the possible values of AB are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 0, because here we are making the use of gray code. And the possible values of C are 0 and 1. Then we will number each cell as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will go over here, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now each cell will represent the minterm. Say for example, the cell numbered 0 will represent the minterm A bar, B bar, C bar. The cell number 1 will represent the minterm A bar, B bar, C. And the cell 7 will represent the minterm A, B, C. Now we will consider a truth table. And for this truth table, a 3-variable truth table, we can write the SOP expression. And suppose the SOP expression is F is equal to summation of minterms 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as we know that we will write only those minterms for which the output is 1. Now we can draw the 3-variable Karnaugh map for this given truth table, and we will make the entry for the cell number 3, 1, 4, 1. For 5, we will make an entry 1. For 6, we will make an entry 1. And for 7, also we will make an entry 1. Now we will go for the simplification of 3-variable Karnaugh map. Again, the 3-variable Karnaugh map can be simplified by making the group of adjacent ones. And again, the basic rule is same, make as few groups as possible so that all the ones are covered, and always begin with the largest group and then go for the smaller groups. As I said, if you are able to make the group of 8 adjacent ones, then that is being called as an octet, and 1 octet will reduce the 3 variables. A group of 4 adjacent ones is called as a quad, and 1 quad will reduce the 2 variables. A group of 2 adjacent ones is called as a pair, and 1 pair will reduce 1 variable. Now consider the example where F is equal to summation of minterms 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can form the group of ones as shown in this diagram. This is the largest possible group of quad, and then 1 is left, and therefore I will make it combined with the adjacent one to form a pair. So there are only 2 groups, 1 quad and 1 pair. And for quad, we can write the term as A only because variable B and C are reduced. And for this pair, we will write the term BC because the value of B is 1 and C is 1 and A is reduced. So we will get the reduced SOP expression F is equal to A plus BC. So when you compare this expression with the original expression, you can easily observe that many terms from the given SOP expression are reduced now, and it is quite easy for us to implement this reduced SOP expression. Now we will go for the 4-variable Karnaugh map. A 4-variable Karnaugh map will contain 16 cells. 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16 cells. In each cell, we will make an entry 1 for the minterm of the SOP expression. In this Karnaugh map also, we are making the use of gray code. So we can draw the 4 variable Karnaugh map as shown in this diagram. A is the most significant bit, then B, then C, and D is the least significant bit. So the gray code is 00011110. Here also 000111 and 10. So I can give a number to each cell, 0, 1, then 2 down, and then 3, 4, 5, 6 down, and then 7, 8, 9, 10 down, and then 11, and then in the middle, 12, 13, 14 down, and then the 15. So for example, this cell will represent the minterm A, B, C, D, and this cell number 5 will represent the minterm A bar, B, C bar, D. Now we will go for the simplification of 4 variable Karnaugh map. Suppose we have been given a truth table of 4 variable A, B, C, D, and the output is F. Now from the truth table, we can easily write the SOP expression. F is equal to summation of minterms 0, 1, 4, 5, 12, and 14. So we will consider only those minterms for which the output is 1. And then we can easily form a Karnaugh map by making an entry 1, 0, 1, 4, 5, 12, and 14. Now we will start with the largest possible group. So this is a quad, and still 2 ones are left, and therefore we can form a pair. And therefore we can write the reduced SOP equation. For this quad, the equation can be written as A bar, C bar, and for this pair, the equation can be written as AB, D bar. So when you compare this equation with the original expression, you can easily observe that the expression is reduced to a large extent. Let us see another example for 4 variable Karnaugh map. Suppose we have been given SOP expression F is equal to summation of minterms 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, and 14. Now we can draw a K map as shown in this diagram. A, B, C, D. Again, we will make the use of groups 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. We will number each cell, and then we will make an entry 1, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 12, then 13, then 14. And then we will make the largest possible groups. So we can form one quad for which the term will be BC bar. Then we will make another quad, and for which the term will be BD bar. Then we will have a pair for which the term will be A bar BC. We'll have another pair. So such overlapping is possible. And we will write it as A bar BD. And there is another pair for which the term can be written as A bar C bar D. So we can have a reduced SOP expression F is equal to BD bar plus A bar C bar D plus BC bar plus A bar BC. So when you compare this SOP expression with the original SOP expression, then you can find that it is being reduced to a large extent. And such reduced SOP expression can be easily implemented by using the AND OR gates. So thank you friends for viewing the session. Hopefully you have understood what is Karnaugh map and how to reduce the given SOP expression by making the use of Karnaugh map. Thank you all for viewing this session.